Okay, let's look at another example. I have a little shorter one here, just 4 chords. Let's just hear it first. Okay, so obviously there's something strange going on with the second chord. Let's do a quick little analysis here. Okay, so still in the key of C major, so we're going to call this 1. Let's skip this chord for a minute. B, D, G, B. So what is that? G, B, D. That's a 5. No 7th on it, just plain old 5. And then we have a 1 chord again. Okay, so what is this? A flat, C, E flat. Okay, so that's an A flat chord. So it's a chord built on an A of some sort. So if it was built on A natural, it would be a 6 chord, right? But it's not. It's built on A flat. So what is that? It is a flat major 6 chord. Okay? So a flat 6 chord is another common mode mixture that we see. This is just directly borrowed from the minor key. Nothing too crazy there. It's just another one like we borrowed flat 3. Okay, let's hear it again now that you have the analysis in your head. Okay, flat 6 leads really nice to 5 and then takes us back. Now, this one does have a big risk in it when we write it out for 4 voices. So let's do that. We have an opportunity to make a crazy augmented second here. So let's go to a new video and let's harmonize this sucker.